In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect speakers to LG TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a soundbar or a set of standard speakers to your LG TV. This will work with any model, and I'm gonna be talking about various different ways in which you will be able to get this done. So the primary ways to get this done are going to be through cables. So there are two main cables that you can use, depending on which connections you have available. You should either look for optical or HDMI. For most people, I assume HDMI will be the best. It seems to be the most common option. So all that you have to do is grab an HDMI cable, you plug one end into your TV, so at the back of the TV, and then the other one goes into the soundbar or the speaker. It is super simple to set up. There's no secret to this. So as long as you connect the HDMI cable from the port on your LG TV to the HDMI port on your soundbar or the receiver, you will be good to go. The same thing can be done with any other compatible cable, such as optical, so you establish the physical connection between the devices. If needed, go over to the settings on your LG TV and look for the sound out options. Then switch over to HDMI ARC or any other device or input that you are using, such as optical. As long as you set it up here, the output will be properly configured and all of the audio being output by your TV will go out on the speakers. So it is simple to set up. Now, there are some alternative soundbars and speakers that support Bluetooth. If yours does, then look into the device's remote for a Bluetooth button. If you see Bluetooth available here, then press and hold that button to set up pairing mode, and you will have to do the same on the LG TV. So you go over to the connections available, you look for the option to connect external devices to the Bluetooth, and as long as the speakers are in pairing mode, they are going to pair between themselves. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect speakers to LG TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.